Number 1. Palakpakan niyo naman, friends. Alright. Good evening, candidate number 1.
Good evening.
You are very good looking. I presume you have a boyfriend? Oh, may boyfriend siya. So, ganito ang magiging question mo. How would you like your question? Do you want it in English or Tagalog?
English.
Ay, bongga.
Talino ako.
English it is. What will you do if you find out that your boyfriend has AIDS? Anong gagawin mo kung malalaman mo na ang boyfriend mo pala ay may AIDS?
Well, I would do nothing.
Wow, you will do nothing because of love? And why?
Because I do believe that AIDS doesn't matter. Thank you so much.
Ino mo, AIDS yun, balik ka doon! Let's now move on with candidate number 2. Uy, number 2. Candidate number 2. Good evening, candidate number 2.
Good evening.
I read from your biodata that you're very intelligent.
That's not true.
So you're bobo? Okay, I'll ask na lang a very simple question. Among all our candidates, what do you think is your edge? Can you tell us your best feature? What is your best feature?
My best feature is my graduation picture.
God? Ay, tama-tama ka. O, ito na nga! Thank you so much.
Where's the question?
Ay, bongga. Sige, tutuloy na lang, nagmamadali lang.
I want a difficult question.
So, a difficult question it is.
That's right.
Candidate number 3, if ignorance is bliss, why do we seek knowledge? Puta ka.
I changed my mind. The easy one.
Alam naman natin na nakagraduate ka dahil lang sa complete attendance.
That's right.
At hindi ka nalilate. You have this high regard for time.
Correct.
Can you tell us the definition of AM in our time?
It's very easy.
What?
Andox manok.
Kung andox manok yan, ano ang PM?
Pritong manok.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, I think you're mistaken. It's not that skin because I'm still here and you're gonna fucking ask me a question. My God.
Pag talaga ganyan, baliw na, sira na ulo eh.
My God.
Balik. Doon.
Excuse me, Mr. Host. I would like to inform you that I'm very intelligent, unlike the other candidates. So I would like to have a different question because I graduated from a very high regard school. So please ask me a difficult question. Thank you.
Okay. I would like to ask you a very common question about family.
Okay, here's the answer.
Wait, wala kang tanong ka.
Okay.
Kung ang tawag sa anak ng pusa ay kitten, at papi naman ang sa aso. Chicks kapag manok. Ano ang tawag sa anak ng taong grasa? Gago ka.
Baby oil.
Next question. Is that it? Gusto mo pa ba ng follow-up? Sure. Kinakabahan ako for that.
You can shoot any question, because yeah, go.
Okay, matalino ka ha. What is the distance of Earth to the Sun in millimeters? Tangina mo.
Well, I do believe that global warming is a future problem of our country. And that global warming affects different biodiversity, that affects the life from the ocean, and affects the life from the land, and even in human. And what we could do to fight global warming is we have to have unity in the fight. Please, let's do that. Let's not use plastic. We have to.
Wait. Sorry. I think you have the wrong answer.
Oh, I think you have the wrong question.
Sayang. Kinig ka na Oy! Meron ba tayong candidate number 5? Candidate number 5.
I love Rosa!
Tantutin mo na nga yun. Gigigil na ako.
I'm so shy.
Sige na.
I'm so
Candidate
shy.
number 5.
I'm so shy.
Why?
Charan!
Grabe yung bird mo, mga kanaliig. Candidate number 5. Nagsasawa na ako sa katatanong sa kanila ng talino. Let's go to talent. Do you have a talent?
Yes, I have a talent.
What is your talent?
My talent is very unique, very different to other candidates.
How do you? What's that?
My talent is what you call the human minus one.
Oh, bongga, human minus 1.
Yeah.
Can you show us your talent?
Human minus one. Bow.
Galing. I want somebody to share the rest of... Oh, nga, galing. Ayoko niyan. Gusto ko yung fast beat, yung masaya.
Please go.